Happy Saturday, Elon holders. Welcome back. Doing another update on the Dogelon Mines token. You know that is going to be none other than ticker symbol Elon. Gotta let you know, I'm not a financial advisor and never WhatsApp anybody in my comments. Also, do drop a big like on this video as it is going to help get exposure on the Dogelon Mines project, the Dogelon Mines mission, and most importantly, the Dogelon Mines community. Also, do consider subscribing as it is going to keep you up to date on the latest and greatest crypto news and all things Dogelon Mines. And of course, you can win yourself NFTs in the process just by being a lucky subscriber and dropping a comment on a giveaway video that I do very often. Let's do a giveaway today. Go ahead and drop a comment below, be subscribed, and I will be doing a drawing very soon to pick a winner. Let's get into the day. It does look like we are currently ranked 163 right now. 6 zeros, 2 4s, 2 6s our current price tag, as we have been pushing upwards in the day, which is pretty awesome to see. Volume looking about 864,000 traded over the last 24 hours. 1.3 million traded, or 133 million dollar market cap is how we are looking. Market confidence is there though. We do have pretty high market confidence across all major exchanges. Things are looking pretty good in that aspect. Another thing is that we do have good volume coming out of the centralized exchanges. Hopefully we could see the volume pick up. Obviously we do want to see that. Looking at our holder count though, this is where it gets important, because this is how we are growing. It does look like we are growing though, so very, very nice to see. It's nice to see some green candles. It's nice to see a holder count increasing. I mean, I do imagine we will see something out of nowhere with this project, and that's just one of the beauties of being in a project like this. 17% of people in the money at the current moment, and that's about what we have from CMC today. But if we look on over at Investor Observer, it does appear that we do have quite an impressive score in our short term. We do know a score of 84 means that the crypto trading pattern over the last month has been bullish. Also means that being percentile ranked, a score of 84 is more bullish than 84% of cryptos out there on the market. So good information, definitely good information. More attractive chart than 73% of cryptos in the long term. Volatility is extremely low. I imagine as this project is getting more established, it holds its stability quite amazingly well. Sentiment looking in the middle, risk gauge sitting about in the middle. It does look like 5 zeros or 6 zeros, 2 4 3 7, up 1.9% on the day. Now if we head on over to Coin Codex, we do have some pretty nice predictions. In the 5-day, they're expecting a nice little increase. 1 month they do not appear to have too much hope, but in the 6 month they do expect the project to absolutely fly. It looks like back to the 5 zeros 1210 range, which that would put 1 billion Dogelon Mines at a price tag of around $1,200. Another thing is the 1 year, they are expecting it to on a specific date at this. I want you guys to mark your calendars. It does look like 11/26/2023. They expect the project to have somewhere in the 506376 range, which would actually put a billion Dogelon Mines worth about $6,376. So that's insane, absolutely insane. But then they do expect it to drop back down to the 5001,745. So that's insane for Dogelon Mines price predictions here. This is on CoinCodex.com too. You guys can go check it out for yourselves as well, and maybe compare. I'm definitely putting this on my calendar just to see how well this site performs. Now we have some major updates as well coming out of Twitter. Daily top traded meme coins again. We're ranking in the top 3 again on CoinVote CC. So very awesome to see us landing on these charts again. That's pretty major. Even more major is that we have actual gameplay coming from the Dogelon indie devs. They actually have been working pretty hard on making an NFT blockchain game, it looks like, where you will be able to buy pieces of an NFT to build a ship to your liking, and you would be able to take it on various missions, it looks like. But we actually have our first ever gameplay, so that is pretty cool. I don't think I can expand that there, but it is very epic and great information. Now, okay, and last but not least, we're going to finish this video out with a crypto weekly wrap-up that does look like from the week of October 21st, 2022. So let's find out how we are looking. Cryptocurrency prices rose Friday afternoon to finish sideways in what was a good week for stocks and another volatile week for digital assets. And as always, it was another eventful week for crypto news. From Warner Brothers releasing an NFT movies to MasterCard bringing crypto to banks. Stir in the latest SEC probes, Jack Dorsey's new decentralized social protocol, Fidelity's Ethereum offering, and Tesla's Bitcoin holdings. And you've got yourself quite a crypto cocktail. Okay, so let's dig in. Let's get into the news that we have this week. It does look like Core Scientific sues Celsius Network. Bitcoin miner Core Scientific Cores is suing crypto lender Celsius Network for not repaying the roughly $5.4 million it's owed since filing for bankruptcy in July. The Wall Street Journal reported Core's stock tanked this year, falling from $1 from $10 per share as the crypto market suffered major losses. Interpol prepares to police the metaverse. Global police organization Interpol unveiled its metaverse platform specifically designed for law enforcement worldwide. The Interpol metaverse is fully operational and allows users to interact and collaborate with other offices and take training courses in forensic investigation and other policing activities. Interpol, the list of possible crimes will only expand as the number of metaverse users grow. I mean, wow, that's pretty insane when it comes to adoption of the metaverse and crypto. Top stablecoin struggles outside US. Coinbase says stablecoin USDC, the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market, is mostly purchased in America. Currently, 3 times more USDC is bought with US dollars compared to non-American currencies. International users typically have to pay a fee to convert their local currency to USDC, creating a barrier for global adoption. Young investors turn to crypto. A massive $84 trillion in private wealth will pass down to Gen X and millennials by 2045, but generational differences in how people view money have never been starker as young investors turn to crypto, according to Bank of America studies. Tesla Bitcoin holdings. Tesla still holds 218 million of Bitcoin as of quarter 3, according to Wednesday's earnings report, relatively unchanged from the end of the second quarter when Elon Musk car company sold more than 80% of the digital assets on its balance sheet. Warner Brothers NFT movies. Does look like Warner Brothers is launching NFT movies and bringing the Lord of the Rings to the blockchain, which I feel is going to be the first of many. That will definitely be an attractive part of NFTs, I believe. So pretty cool. That and music. The Bloomberg terminal of crypto. In other cryptocurrency news, Dash 2 Trade aims to be the Bloomberg terminal of digital assets without an expensive monthly subscription. The crypto analytics and intelligence platform aims to raise $40 million through pre-sale of its D2T token. It sold more than 300,000 worth within the first 24 hours of pre-sale launch. Fidelity Ethereum offerings. Fidelity Digital Assets will give its institutional customers the ability to buy, sell, and transfer Ethereum starting on October 28th. The block reported. Jack Dorsey's new decentralized social network. So Jack Dorsey, Block CEO and former Twitter chief executive, is launching a decentralized social protocol through its Blue Sky project. 16Z cuts back on startups. Andreessen Horowitz plans to focus on lobbying and rebooting its accelerator program, general partner Chris Dixon said at TechCrunch Disrupt. Meanwhile, the firm has scaled back investments in crypto startups the past 2 quarters despite a new $4.5 billion fund. New crypto launch falls flat. Aptos blockchain, which raised $200 million from the likes of Binance and Andreessen Horowitz, launched its main network Tuesday night. Its apt crypto token initially traded around $13.73 after going live, but dropped more than 42% to below $8 by early Wednesday. It is actually going up quite a little bit today, though, as of Saturday, October 22nd. Bitcoin mining stalls. It took more than an hour to mine a single Bitcoin block on Monday, leaving more than 13,000 transactions in limbo. Cryptocurrency news: FTX probe. FTX US and CEO Sam Bankman-Fried are facing investigations from Texas regulators for potentially offering unregistered securities. Walmart and crypto. In an interview with Yahoo Finance, Walmart CTO said that the crypto will become an important part of retail transactions and disrupt how people discover products. That's major. That is absolutely major when you have a mega giant like Walmart saying that crypto is going to be a big part of how they are doing business. That definitely brings a lot of positivity when it comes to looking towards the future of crypto. SEC probe: Three Arrows Capital. Bankrupt crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital face probe from the SEC and CFTC for potentially misleading investors about the strength of its balance sheet, Bloomberg reported. MasterCard brings cryptos to banks. MasterCard launched a new crypto source program which enabled financial institutions to add cryptocurrency trading offerings and services. I mean, look at how insanely bullish news we have in this bear market for crypto adoption. I mean, were this information to be launched in the bull market, the gains would be absolutely insane. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel if how we would be looking if the gains were to be seen in a bull market rather than a bear market. Coinbase CEO selling stock. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong announced he will be selling 2% of his coin stock to fund scientific research into extending human life. What? That is absolutely insane. And if you are invested in Dogelon Mines, you do know that that is a project that is doing the exact same thing. So is Brian Armstrong involved in the various companies? Quite possible. Lazarus Group strikes again. Lazarus, the state-sponsored North Korean hacking team, successfully targeted Japanese crypto companies with phishing emails, according to reports from the Japan News. And that is just the tip of the iceberg of all of the news that we are having in this market. It is insane. Absolutely insane and hard to keep up with at times, but definitely like making these videos for you guys. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will catch you in the next one.